Now, after Tvisi has proved his prowess in auto and algorithmic trading solutions across the world, now we are offering courses to students from engineering, BSc, and MSc colleges, where they learn in detail about algorithmic trading, structural programming from basics, optimal programming skills, database, data science, and data analysis skills. It's basically to train them into becoming quantitative or algorithmic trading programmers. Students can hone their skills in basic and advanced programming with optimal programming structure, such that their trading strategies can perform all calculations with minimal latency. We offer algorithmic trading courses in Python, Java, and .NET. Students can then build their career as a high-frequency trading programmer, quant programmer, algo-trading programmer, with knowledge about stocks, futures, and options, forex, commodities, ETFs, etc. Once you graduate from TIAT, you will have career opportunities with investment banking, hedge funds, asset management companies, stockbrokers, proprietary trading desk, etc. in India and abroad. You can choose between classroom sessions and interactive online sessions where you can join irrespective of your location. Choose algo trading and get an edge over the others. For more information, please feel free to connect.